One of the novel ideas that we are looking at is the use of bacteriophages for the treatment of PJI. Bacteriophages are viruses that will kill bacteria. They have been found in nature for hundreds of years, and they've been present on Earth for millions of years. Bacteriophages are found in the most disgusting of places. They're found in areas such as the Ganges River, outhouses, and septic tanks, because that's where we see a lot of bacteria. So these viruses form and they can kill off the bacteria. So we found that we can take these viruses and we can clean them, and then we can reintroduce them back into people with the ability to kill the bacteria that's present as part of a periprosthetic joint infection. It's early in its research efforts here in the United States. They've been looking at bacteriophages for a long time in the Russian area, but bacteriophages hold great promise.